Disclaimer, I am not a therapist.
Wait, what?
I recently experienced challenging times. What you'll see in this video is not approved by a practiced therapist. The following are quotes, poems, and a bit about my life. Welcome to my travel Diary Chronicles. Okay, you're probably asking yourself what's going on. Let's recap. One thing growing up I wish I did more of is ask more questions. Creating a dialogue, bridging the gap, giving opportunity for reality to lend a hand with my natural gifts. Somehow, the manifest played out that when I got interested in a task, and I still do it till today, is get revved up and hyper-focused till the project is done. But sitting on this plane, riding in this moment, I feel like that should change. Up till this point, thinking about what I've created on this page, I've been trying to find pieces to expand the vision of what services I can provide, which doesn't help after being laid off. Well, if you saw the last video, you get what I'm saying. After experiencing uncharted territory, now neither am I at base or at peak, but seek within is always within one's reach. Let's set up shop. Gordon, live from the gridiron. All right, this one will be a good one. The weight we choose. Responsibility isn't a burden, it's a badge. It's the quiet decisions to show up when no one's watching. To own your actions. And to lead with integrity, even when it's inconvenient. Here's to the turbulence, the triumphs, the trust in the process, even if the itinerary changes. Keep grinding. Giving y'all what trying to recharge my battery looks like being home for 48 hours. Let's paint the picture. The house's energy reaches a new level each return. This is Breland. He chooses to live with us. I'll explain that joke in a future video. This is Breland's brother, Astro. Breland is an attention hoarder. My fitness journey continues to help lower my stress which I've noticed I have benefited being that I was away from home for large amounts of time. I realize that it's my responsibility to work out as I'm getting older.
Alright, baby. Got it? You in the vlog? What up? Say what's up. So I appreciate you, dog, for inviting me out. I know I said I always got something for you. So I want to get you the right stuff. Right stuff to put on your feet.
Yeah, I like these.
Appreciate you, man.
This shit's dope.
How you feel about that workout?
I'm dead. Plus, I went for like a run before I came out here, so I'm beat.
Yeah, man.
We're gonna get these in.
Appreciate you, dog.
Appreciate you.
Get back to the vlog.
Right now I'm about 12 pounds down from my starting weight. I started to rehab my knee for the last 3 weeks, and I have done some incredible sessions between the cold plunge treadmill and the sauna. Whether if I'm sitting down in a room or exercising in exterior Texas heat around the house, the yard part, that was my girl's idea. Oh man, it's Thursday already. Dang.
I'll be doing the robot right here.
We're prepared for departure.
The scope of this trip is to fly out of Military USA to Stockton, then hop back on a metal bird to Smithfield, North Carolina for more work, then back to California, then back to North Carolina, then fly back to, you guessed it, Stockton, California, for a job to install 250 feet of fiber wire and to finish lacing up a Metroplex building with 34 drops needed because the space will be a telemarket office for a bank. This process would take 2.5 weeks after everything is said and done.
We live in a world that celebrates talent, but it's responsibilities that build legacy. You can't control every outcome, but you can control your effort, your attitude, and your response. That's where greatness begins. Whether you're an athlete breaking down game film, a teacher shaping minds, or a creator building something from scratch, responsibility is your foundation. It's not just doing what's expected, it's about doing what's right, even when it's hard. So ask yourself, what are you carrying? What are you committed to? Because the weight we choose to carry defines the strength we build. And that strength, that discipline, that grit is what separates the ones who grind from the ones who stop.
During this time away, I missed out on numerous amounts of events that transpired back home, one being my sister's engagement party to her then fiance. They've married since then, only waiting a year before tying the knot. I had a couple close friends' baby showers. Shout out to Jay Hyde for his fourth but first boy, and my brother OJ Harwell on his first child. He had a baby girl. Getting older, the work that we do to sustain our lifestyles can be replaced and obtained. Just keep grinding. And remember, you're writing a story only one person in history has lived. Responsibility isn't just what you do, it's who we become. And to the Mexican restaurant / bar / pool hall / place where one can buy soccer equipment at, if you know, you know. Sorry for messing up your merchandise, because the thing is, I'm not an NBA player.
They're gonna know.
Thank you so much.
They're gonna know.
I've recently experienced challenging times. What you'll see in this video isn't
Wait, what?
approved